Pouilly-Fuissé is a type of white wine, French white wine, produced in France in the wine region of Burgundy. To be precise, in the southern part of the Burgundy wine region that is called the Mâconnais, so near the city of Mâcon. Pouilly-Fuissé is made from the Chardonnay grape. It is often confused with the other Pouilly appellation in France, that is Pouilly-Fumé, but Pouilly-Fumé is made from the Sauvignon Blanc grape, producing grassy, tropical, crisp wines, while Pouilly-Fuissé is made in Burgundy from Chardonnay grapes. Pouilly-Fuissé. How to pronounce it? The typical French way, Pouilly-Fuissé. Pouilly-Fuissé. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye. Cheers.